How to use Midjourney. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely amazing and wonderful application for your greatest digital art software making. And you can create any good design, any fun design using it, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, when it comes to using Midjourney, first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to establish and, make our mind up on how we're going to use it. Okay. So to use it, basically, what you're going to do is you're going to want to come to your Google browser, right? Midjourney over here, and you're going to want to have a Discord. Now, if you don't have a Discord, then I'm sorry, this is not going to work. You are going to need a Discord. It's an absolute essential because the Midjourney servers are on Discord. So now what we're going to do is once we have Midjourney in front of us, we're going to come here and write it on Google, and we're going to go ahead and click on the first link that we see, midjourney.com. Okay. Now, once you click on midjourney.com, it's going to bring us to this place. Okay. Now, what is this? It's a basic Midjourney website, and you can see it looks pretty nice. Has a lot going on, tells us, the about stuff and all. And overall looks pretty good. Looks pretty like, a decent AI art website. Now, as you can see in the about, Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring the new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. We are a small self-funded team focused on design, human infrastructure, and AI. We have 11 full-time staff and an incredible set of advisors. Okay, and obviously you can go ahead and check more things about them if you want to, but now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on join the beta. Now, once you click on join the beta, what it does is it basically brings you to a page like this, opening Discord app. Now, it's going to bring you to your Discord, and it's going to keep you here, and it's going to bring you to this room, this server. Okay, so this server is basically your very basic, very easy to find Midjourney server. Okay, this is a basic Discord server. As you can see in the right, you can see the whole team of Midjourney people, the CEO, the moderators, and all. So pretty basic stuff. Now, over here, you're on the announcements page, and here is where they're going to tell you about all the things about, Midjourney. So right now, they just came out with a new version 5.2, which is also a pretty great thing to have. And we're going to be discussing it all. And I'm going to just tell you how you're going to use it in the easiest way. Now, obviously, this might seem a lot of complicated stuff, and you're probably wondering, where does the art start? Don't worry. All you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the server page, and you're going to come to this newcomer rooms page, okay? And when you're in your newcomer page, you're just going to choose any one from these three. Let's say I'm going to go in this newbies 59. Now, what you're going to do, as you can see, as I scroll down, you can already see there's a lot of great art going on. And look at this. Like, look at how high quality, how well made all of this art is. Now, here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to just keep scrolling down until we find ourselves at the bottom. Okay, now here we are. Now, as you can see, still a lot is going on, and you can still admire all the art that people are making. Like, look at this, an absolutely amazing art. And you can see that people have like these things on top, like written things and commas and stuff. Now, this is your prompt, okay? And do make sure to, study this and know what kind of prompts you will want to make, okay? So, as you can see, all of these arts, they look great, and now you're probably wondering, how am I supposed to make it? You can't just go ahead and let's say the end of the world. So you can't just write end of the world, comma, huge landscape. You can't just write it like this. What we're gonna be need to doing is we're gonna do slash. We're gonna write imagine. And as you can see, it gives us this thing over here. So we're just going to click enter. And now we are in the prompt section. And here is where we're going to start writing our prompts. This is where we're going to start doing the art. So let's go ahead and write huge lion man fight. And you can write medieval times. You can write stuff like, black and white or something like that. Just give whatever prompts you have, and then you're just going to click on enter. Now, When you come here for the first time, it's going to give you this thing, subscription required, because obviously Midjourney is a very subscription based account, and to subscribe to it, obviously you're going to go ahead and visit the main Midjourney website, where it's going to take you to your Midjourney account through your Discord. And what you're going to do is obviously check the subscription plans, choose whatever's best for you. And if you're like truly into art and you really want to get like, the whole suite of art and stuff, then trust me, you will want to buy this amazing app, because it's just absolutely out of this world. And you can just subscribe it directly from your Discord as well. Just write subscribe. Okay. You're going to enter that. And as you can see, it gives you the link. You're going to open the subscription page and then just subscribe. It has a few plans for $9, $15, etc. And obviously it depends on you and whichever one you want to go with. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what people have made. Look at this over here. So builder designs a modern house, drawing super quality realistic photo. And they've like given the aspect ratio, AR means aspect ratio, 16:9. And look at this. It's absolutely amazing, fully high quality, and it's extremely flawless. Like, it looks as if you took this off of some advertisement or something. Like, it's truly amazing. Just as this, futuristic shooting booth. Again, great thing. As we keep scrolling up, people have more designs that look even greater, you know. And look at this. So, Bulldog's face cartoon logo for a company called Junkyard Dog. Look at that. So, people actually make logos for themselves. They make different types of designs and stuff. And once you like make good designs, what you can do for yourself is, once you come to the Midjourney website, there's also a showcase page, okay? And in the showcase page, this is where you can actually go ahead and see all the like top tier designs. And look at this. Look at how real and detailed this image looks. And you can see the prompts that people put in. Look at this. Absolutely amazing, beautiful aesthetic pictures, highly detailed and stuff. And you can see all these in the showcase. You can add your own pictures in the showcase as well if you want to. It's totally upon you. But yeah, you get the whole gist of it. You get the whole design. And it's pretty great and decent stuff if you actually go ahead and learn it properly for yourself. And look at these. Look at the blending of colors. Look at like how the sun comes up. Look at the mosques they've made. Look at the trees. Totally great stuff. And I would absolutely recommend this if you're into digital art designing. And obviously, this can't only be used for just these things. You could, design yourself a t-shirt if you're in the t-shirt business, make logos if you're in like some different business and you need a logo. You can use this amazing app to do it all for you. And it's one of the best and most revolutionary things that have joined us since the uprising of AI. And I would absolutely recommend all of you to immediately start working with this and use it for your benefits. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. But yeah, that was it for today's AI Midjourney episode. So yeah, that was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you incredible people next time. Goodbye.